Hey everyone, welcome to Mallory Park, the home of Hawk Racing and Buildbase Suzuki. Come on in. So this is our main workshop. It's where the magic happens. We're working here day in, day out on customers' bikes, the Buildbase Suzuki race bikes. We've had some success over the years, so as you can see around the room, some memorabilia. And to do all this work, we need some parts. So I'll take you through and show you our stores. Hey Danny. As a British Superbike team, we're quite fortunate to get quite a bit of product support. This is Yoshimura. They supply us with exhaust systems and engine parts. Samco, they supply us with all the hoses that we use on all of our race bikes. Perfect for the cooling. We've got BMC air filters, high performance filter, fantastic for the power. Brentford sprockets, Sabaki chains. We only use the best. Never had a problem with chains and sprockets. We've got Hell brake lines, Brembo discs, SBS pads, all of which we use on all the bikes. And coming back, we have all our Motul product that we keep. We're very fortunate. Motul are fantastic working with us. That keeps the bikes very clean and running really well. So I'll take you through and show you some of the bikes. This is a Suzuki GSXR 1000. We're currently building it into superstock spec. Danny and Christy are going to use the bike between meetings to keep themselves bike fit, ready for the next Superbike meeting. This is Specsaver Suzuki. I raced in National Superstock last season. Also, I'll be using that this season to keep myself bike fit. This is Bjorn Esmet's 2021 Power Slide Suzuki, it's just coming for a refresh. This is the team's main bike. It's a British Superbike, all prepped, ready to go for its next meeting. I'll take you through and show you some of the other bikes we keep here. So this is some of our Suzuki GSXR 1000 National Superstock bikes, including this one with the tyre warmers on. It's a brand new bike, so fortunate being at Mallory Park circuit, I'm going to run it around for a few laps this afternoon, check everything's okay. This is my British Superbike, Specsaver Suzuki. She's going to do 11 meetings this year and all the testing, along with the other two Superbikes. So we have to keep the engine in tip-top condition. To do that, I'll take you to the engine room. Okay, so this is the engine room. As you can see, I've got 4 engines here. I've took the heads off them. I've sent them away to be prepared. Once they come back, I'm going to build each head back up, fit them back on these engines. Once they're finished, these engines are then ready to be rotated for the ones in the bike. Most of our engines do 3 to 4 meetings. After that, we rotate them. These engines go in, them engines come in here and be refreshed. Once they're finished, they'll look like this engine here, and this one's ready to put back in the chassis. Once we put it back in the chassis, this one will be took to the dyno, which is where I'll take you next. Okay, so you've seen how the engines are built. Once they're built, we put them back in the chassis. We'll build the bike back up and we bring it around to the dyno. Once we're around here, we can give them a good run up, run through all the gears, have a look around, make sure there's nothing going wrong, check the electronics and the fueling. Between meetings, we can try a few things with the electronics on the dyno, maybe a couple of rider requests. Once we're happy, that's it. She's ready for her next meeting. With that in mind, we've got quite a bit of work to get done, so you best get yourselves out of here.